So this is an amounts question, and therefore we're going to need a calculator. In a molecule of a hydrocarbon, the fraction by mass of carbon is 9/11. What is the empirical formula? So there's different ways you could do this. You could say if it's 9/11 carbon, it must be 2/11 hydrogen because it's a hydrocarbon, and you could actually work out the empirical formula. Or you could do it the other way and look at the answers and see which one of those is 9/11 carbon. So we'll do this both ways and you can see which one you would prefer to use in future. So if I was going to do an empirical formula, I'm going to do it's 9/11 carbon by mass. So it's 2/11 hydrogen. I can look up their relative atomic masses of 12 and 1, so I can work out their moles on my calculator. So 9/11 divided by 12 is 0.0682, and 2/11 divided by 1 is 0.182. And so my simplest ratio, divided by the smallest, is 1 to 2.67, and now I have to remember my common fractions, that this is the same as 2 and 2/3. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 3 and get 3 to 8. So C3H8, which is answer C. So this would be a traditional empirical formula calculation. The other way that you could do it is to look at each of these values and say, in A, 1 carbon out of a total of 13. So 1 carbon weighs 12. 12 and 1 is 13, so it's 12 out of 13. We've got 1 carbon weighing 12 out of a total of 15. Here we've got 3 carbons out of the total mass of this molecule, which is 44. So we've got 36 out of 44, and if you type that on your calculator, that does simplify down to 9/11, because both those numbers are divisible by 9, which we also know is the answer. We could double check on this. 5/12 out of, so 5 carbons, which is 60 out of 72. Again, we could then look at 60 over 72 and see that that simplifies down to 5/6. And then you can still see again that the answer is C. So whichever of those methods you prefer, whichever one would come most logically to you.